boAt has expanded its audio hardware portfolio in India with the release of the PartyPal series, an 8-model lineup of large-format party speakers. The company is shifting its focus from standard high-volume output to interactive audio features, equipping the new devices with integrated DJ controls, real-time vocal tuning, and a wide array of physical inputs. The flagship model of the new range is the PartyPal 650. It is a substantial piece of hardware, measuring 720 mm in height, and relies on built-in wheels for mobility. Internally, it features a dual 8-inch driver and dual 2-inch tweeter configuration that delivers a total output of 300 WRMS. The PartyPal 650 features what boAt calls Karaoke ProTuner, a hardware-level auto-tune system that automatically corrects vocal pitch in real time during karaoke sessions. It comes with 2 UHF wireless microphones to support the feature. The speaker also has a built-in DJ pad on the top panel, allowing users to trigger preloaded sound effects and bass drops directly without relying on additional software. Visuals are handled by an integrated RGB LED array that synchronizes with audio playback. Both the lighting patterns and the speaker sound profiles can be adjusted using the boAt Hearables companion app. For battery life, boAt claims the PartyPal 650 can run for up to 5 hours on a single charge. However, the company specifies that this metric was tested at 60% volume, meaning users pushing the 300W system to higher volumes will likely experience a shorter playback time. For connectivity, the speaker offers Bluetooth 5.3, True Wireless Stereo, TWS, pairing, USB, TF card, and AUX support. It also features dedicated physical inputs for connecting a guitar and an additional wired microphone. The broader PartyPal series includes 7 other models: the 600 Plus, 500, 390 Plus, 230, Boom, Ultra, and Rumble, which scale down in both power output and price. The series starts at 9,499 rupees and tops out at 24,999 rupees. The entire lineup is available through boAt's official website and standard retail channels across India.